Hey, welcome back to Six Pack Garage, Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to change my valve covers today on my 83 Blazer. I have basically factory, sheet metal valve covers on it, which are fine, but I was able to snag a set of these L82 NOS valve covers. So these are cast aluminum, which is nice because they don't leak. They don't bend like the factory steel ones do. I mean, people do tend to over tighten the factory ones, but I don't know, I just like these. I had these on one of my old GMC trucks before, and I just like the look. It's a factory GM part. Not factory to this vehicle, obviously, but to me, it just kind of makes more sense when you see, OEM parts on a vehicle. I just like it. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, I'm really happy how this turned out. It's somewhat of a subtle touch, but I like it. Kind of goes with the black theme of everything. And I don't know. I just like the way it looks. I'm really lucky that I was able to find these old valve covers. Unfortunately, I broke this plastic filter thing, but I got a new one on Amazon. No big deal. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.